Yeah, I think I might wash my hands. Do you have any way I can just come over here and just wash my hands from the cab of your truck?
Oh man,
unbelievable. So we got a knivesdeal.com offer. Again, 10% off. Use promo code Send It Steve, all one word. But you got throwing knives American, you got a pocket knife American, you got a tiny pocket knife, which just one I take when I go fishing, and it does everything I need. It's got a bottle opener on the back, and then obviously we have your police tactical knife up here. So definitely check them out, guys. Again, knivesdeal.com for 10% off. Promo code Send It Steve, all one word. Alrighty, guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve, and we are in the F450. Now, if you guys don't know about the F450, it is a 2008 F450 6-inch FabTech lift. We have semi-wheel conversion on it and everything like that, but this is just going to hopefully be just a recovery truck today. We're not going to take it in, we're not going to have fun, but my buddy called and said, hey bud, I seen you in the one video. You went down in the hole that we can, you can get to. We fish down there all the time. He said, and I'm thinking about taking my Toyota down through there and see if we can't make it. So I said, that's some pretty mucky stuff. Like that's a hole. That's a hole and a half. He's like, yeah, bud. He's like, but I'm in the mood just to play. It's the first day off in like, I think 10 or 12 days. And he just wants to get out here and have some fun. Now he knows I enjoy off-roading. He knows I'm not scared to put my truck into some fun and have some fun with it, but we know we're not taking this truck into that mud hole. However, we will take the truck. Obviously, we are in the F450. We will take the truck down and watch him have some fun. So basically, we're following my buddy Josh Butek down here to a little mud hole that you guys may recognize. And, well, we're going to go have some fun. Let's see what happens. I'm not scared about it. I'm ready to have some fun. It's been a while since, it's been like 4 days since I've been off-roading, and I got the itch, guys. I got the itch. So we're just gonna plug and chug and get down there and see what happens. So you really think that little truck's gonna go through? He does.
We'll find out.
We're gonna find out. Now, he did run over the cars. It did go over the cars when other people couldn't, so. It seems like everybody wants to play and do things once I get all of the mud off with the F450. I mean, it's actually looking good. I finally cleaned it up from the last time. And, well, Josh is ready to play, so let's just do it. Boy. I think he's got it. Oh.
I'd say it's not.
If you can get them spinning, I think you got the other way. Oh. It is so, this wheel wants to bite so bad. If you could get this wheel to bite, it would go. There, oh, you should have stayed in that. They were both going there. Crank it that way. There it goes. Oh yeah, that's enough there. yes. Oh, now his head's big. He's going for everything now. Oh yes. Holy cow. Dude, I told you, if you could get that wheel moving, you were golden. Wow. That was pretty sick.
That's pretty deep.
Yeah, it's pretty gnarly shit.
Dude, I could feel I was on the frame for
Yeah,
sure.
definitely. Yeah, your skid plate was definitely on the ground. Yeah.
She don't do
Wow.
too bad.
If it had a locker in it, it wouldn't have even
my
had
Lord,
it. Yeah, it wouldn't have
yeah.
hesitated at all.
Guess that's the next purchase.
Wow. Good for, oh, now it's filling up with water.
Yeah.
Round 2.
Round 2.
All about momentum. It is all about momentum. Oh yes. See, this is what it's all about. Now I want to come down with the F450. It's not.
This wouldn't be going on if I didn't have it.
Yeah, definitely. If there was no recovery vehicle, you would be stuck.
No. I
Definitely.
wouldn't be doing this.
Now I want to see if the F450 can go through it.
I'm gonna have to go get the dually.
Are we trying this?
That's a heavy ass truck.
It is
I
heavy.
don't even know if my truck that would play.
I like to
ain't
try
even-
it. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not guaranteeing you that my truck will get your truck out,
Yeah.
because your truck weighs quite a bit more than mine.
Definitely.
So that's on you if you want a tow bill.
So then when it comes time to wash the truck, you just bring it all down to the boat launch and you go ahead and get her washed. I think you can go a little further. It's how hillbillies and rednecks wash their trucks. Or as you people like to say, we're, what did you guys call us? I don't even remember. Idiots. Perfect.
Turn that. In the truck? Turn that.
In that far. Oh my god. Oh my god. The first thing you said is I don't want to get it in the interior.
No, I didn't fucking realize it.
Oh my god.
Hey, it's half
Dude, it
empty.
actually, like, it cleaned the frame and everything up real nice.
Yeah.
Like, it actually didn't do too bad. I left it in there 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes, it would have been like a steam press. Wow.
Oh
Good for us. Good for us.
boy. Never a dull moment.
Well, if you guys want Josh to create a channel, go down in the comments and say, Josh, please start a channel. Because we're going to do some dumb stuff like this all the time. But there you guys have it. We had some fun out here today. If you guys like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe.
Hit it.
And I'm sure this ain't going to be the last of the dumb stuff Josh and I do. So, Josh, start a channel.
Will do.
Unbelievable. I don't even know where to touch here.
Here, you want to wash your hands?
Yeah, I think I might wash my hands. Do you have any way I can just come over here and just wash my hands from the cab of your truck?
Oh man.
Unbelievable. So much for keeping it out of the cab.